Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for the invitation. What I'd like to present here is a Cardiolens Viewer, which is part of the much larger project which company Cardiolens want to release. But the first step is Cardiolens Viewer. That's my disclosures. So there is a growing number of need for cardiology as well as for non-invasive cardiac diagnostic and imaging. We saw from the latest CDC guidelines that it's a growing need for CT cardiac analysis, but the problem is that we have a very big demand, but the question is about how to analyze all of those data and how to be fast with it. We have a problem that we don't know actually who should analyze that, whether it's radiologist or cardiologist. We know that in the CT scans, we not only see coronary vessels, but other structures which are impossible to analyze accurately by cardiologists, but are done by radiologists. On the other hand, cardiologists use those data to guide intervention, especially when they are interventional cardiologists. They can be prepared for PCIs appropriately. They can decide whether to use advanced plaque modification system before they have a patient on table. And also we have a general cardiologist who are right now are limited to view CT scans, because as we know in this hospital we have a dedicated software from companies who provide CT scans, but we don't have any other software which facilitates coronary CT images, and for those cardiologists it's also very useful to have such a tool. So Cardiolens is dedicated to develop Cardiolens viewers, then FFR CT Pro, Cardiolens Plaque, and a strategist for PCIs. That's the basic idea behind that. You have a CCT perform with CNBP measurements, then by the platform is transformed to the signal by the AI guided segmentation, and then analyzed by also MDP and engines to provide appropriate analysis. So the first step is Cardiolens Viewer. It provides automatic AI segmentation of coronary vessels. It does it without any human analysis. So the idea is that you just upload the CT scan. You have to wait at least 30 minutes, and then you receive the AI segmentation. What it gives you basic coronary segmentation. You can rotate images. You can see them in the 3D scans. It provides you the basic view of coronary arteries, which can be very useful for interventionalists, especially if you want to detect angles for the treatment. It provides you the idea where there is a plaque, so you can then go through the cross-sectional view and longitudinal view and detect where the plaques actually is, and initially analyze how much it's calcified or whether it's a soft plaque. As well, it indicates automatically where you have a possible 30% stenosis in the coronary vessels, so to detect possible significant stenosis and also analyze plaque, and now by human to estimate or to accurately estimate the stenosis by doctor. We use combine AI and deep learning. Biomedical engineering is involved, and CFD, computational fluid dynamics, to analyze the images, especially for future FFR analysis. Thank you very much.